An AI agent can think, it can make decisions, it can use tools, and it can adapt to changing situations. An AI agent can involve human when necessary, and it can even improve its own workflow over time. Well, agentic AI is completely different from traditional automation systems. Traditional automation systems use a fixed set of instructions and does the same thing over and over again. But agentic AI systems, they're different. They analyze documents, they can analyze situation, and they can make decisions and choose tools and take different actions based on the information it receives. Well, in this course, we'll start agentic AI right from the beginning, and we will build a complete AI agent product, which will be ready to be deployed. We'll talk about tool using agents, planning agents, memory systems, self-improving agents, reflection techniques, human in the loop workflows, guardrails, structured output, AI hallucination, AI limitations right now, and real challenge agentic AI faces right now. Throughout this course, we will build a complete real-world AI agent platform from scratch. It is a real backend system that can be connected to websites, mobile applications, SaaS products, and even client applications if you want. This project is an HR AI agent designed to solve a real business problem we have these days. The agent will automatically get the text out of PDF resume. It will understand the job requirements and job descriptions. It will evaluate candidates. It will generate structured decisions. It will give applicants score, provide reasoning, identify strengths and weaknesses, and help recruiters make better hiring decisions. By the end of the course, we will make this a real product, not just a demo. We will add authentication, database, API keys, deployment workflows, and everything needed to make a system usable in real-world applications. We will also build a front end for this. But as you know, these days we have Codex and Claude. They're so good at code generation. And then I'll show you how you can use these tools effectively. So you can build front end faster while still maintaining full control over your architecture, APIs, integrations, and overall system design. One thing I want to mention at the beginning. Many AI companies these days are failing. While we're living in age of AI, it's the time AI companies should grow, but many AI companies are failing. And the reason for that is they're building the products which are not really useful in real world. They're building something like demo. It can look attractive, but in real world, they're not so much useful. That's why they're failing. And in this course, we focus on something that can be used in real world right now. So if you want to start a business or a startup, then you won't fail because you will build something which companies need right now, like this HR system we are building. So important thing is the agents you're building, they should save time, it should reduce costs, and it should automate real work, not just demo. That's why the agents that help businesses and people become more productive. And this is the mindset we want to follow throughout the course. In this course, we start agentic AI right from the beginning. So you don't need to worry about any experience with agentic AI. But you need to know about Python programming language. Because we are using Python as our main programming language for this course. And you need to know about functions, variables, and classes, objects, and things like that. And that means it is not a basic Python programming course, but it is basic agentic AI course. So if you have enough Python knowledge, then you're good to go. And once you understand the architecture and development approach we use in this course, you'll be able to create many different types of agents. Things like customer support agents, research agents, and any other idea you might have. So every major AI company is investing heavily in agents because they are becoming the next generation of software. To make your learning process easier and more interactive, I built PDF files and GitHub repository and commits for every single lecture that you can download. That way you will be able to follow easier and understand what changed in every single lecture. We also have a Discord community where you can ask questions, discuss ideas, and share your progress and knowledge. And you can get help whenever you get stuck. I'm so excited to have you here, and I look forward to building this complete AI agent platform together with you. So before we start building, in the next video, I'll give you a full demonstration of the final project we've built in this course. So you can see exactly what we are going to create throughout this course. And then when you're ready and you want to build a complete agentic AI system, we will start in the first lecture. And I can't wait to see you there.